Hello lovely people, welcome back to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us the code for the €100 coupon bundle, okay? If you're a new app user, you have the opportunity of claiming €100 coupon bundle on the Temu app, okay? This is what is going to help get discounts on your items, up to 30% discount, okay? All you need to do is to download the app using the link. I'm going to leave the link in the description box or in the comment section. Just click on the link for the €100 coupon bundle and download the app from your app store or your Play Store. It's going to redirect you to any of them. And click on the search bar in the Temu app. Type in this code, okay? If you're using the link, it's automatically going to offer it to you after the app is downloaded into your phone. But then, if you already have the app downloaded, just click this ACR 609164, okay? Click on the search icon and it's going to take you to where you can claim the €100 coupon bundle. And my account is not a new app user, so it's not being offered to me. And that's why you don't see it popping up here for me to claim. But if you're a new app user, you're definitely going to get access to this €100 coupon bundle. Like I said, it gives you discounts on items, okay? Another thing you're going to be seeing when you use this code, you're going to see my storefront, okay? I have a lot of things. Just click on it on my storefront, like really good items. We have top-notch reviews and real pictures. I just chose some of those items and I gathered them into a storefront that you can visit anytime. Go through it, and if you like anything here, you can, add it to your cart and just get it for yourself. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you use the code and it works really nice for you, let me know. If you have any issues using this code, also let me know in the comment section and we can discuss it, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.